Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here it is Alliance University. So it is one of the private university. I will provide this link in the description box of this video guys, so you can check down. And here the vacancies are there for the assistant, associate and for the professor jobs. Here the huge number of departments are there. The Alliance School of Business, Marketing, Finance, Human Resource Management. And coming to the School of Law, Business Law, Intellectual Property Law and International Law. And coming to the College of Engineering and Design, Aerospace, Civil, Mechanical, Electrical and Electronics. And Operational Management, Economics and Statistics, Criminal Law, Constitutional Law, Competition Law, and in the Business Communication, Analytics and Technical Management. Coming to the School of Law, Labor Laws, Banking and Insurance, Mass Communications, and in the Engineering, Electronics and Communications, Computers and the Information Technology. So total these are the departments are there from where the vacancies are announced here. So right now the current vacancies are there for both the teaching positions as well as the non-teaching positions. And first I will show you the eligibility for the assistant professor guys. So after looking the eligibility, then if you're having the particular eligibility for these departments, then you can apply for this one. So coming to the assistant professor, so here you can check down the eligibility is a master's degree with 55% of marks. And apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET SLET or else the CSIR NET qualification must be there. So if those qualifications are not there, then the candidate must have the PhD qualification. Fine. So these are the details for the assistant professor qualification. And if you want to apply, then click on this apply now button. Then you will be directed to the online application form. So here you can check down that. First one is the personal details, and next career summary you have to fill up. So the career summary, area of specialization, key skills, total work experience, non-teaching experience, and the employment history. That means whatever the previous experience you was having in the previous organizations, all these things you have to fill up. And what are the qualifications you earned up to now, all these things, and any projects you did regarding the details, and any books you published regarding that one, and any patent rights regarding that one. And apart from this one, a cover letter and your CV, resume. So all these things you have to fill up and submit here in this one. Then your application will be considered, your application will be reached to this university. So based upon their scrutiny methodization, they are going to follow the next procedure for the selection of this assistant professor. Fine. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments, whatever I shown right now. And to get more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi guys, my name is Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. This video is specially for the candidates UGC NET Electronic Science. So the people who are going to write the exam in this 5th November 2020, here the Unacademy is providing the crash course that is titled as Crash Course on Electronic Science through Multiple Choice Questions. This course is going to start from October 1st onwards, and by this month end, the course is going to be finished. And by the starting of the November month, you will be ready with the class PDFs, and all the 10 units will be explained in brief. That means the important concepts, formulas, points, definitions, expressions, all these things we are going to discuss in this crash course, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the JRF in this 2020 guys. Okay, so apart from this one, the Unacademy is also providing the full course or else a complete course for the electronic science who are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months or the upcoming years. So here the different subscription plans are there. That is 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So out of all these months, if you want to take the crash course, then you may prefer this 1 month, or else if you are planning to write the exam in the upcoming months, you may take the 3 months, 6 months, 12 months or the 24 months. But if you are planning to take the subscription plans, then use my referral code, that is Ashwinik. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay. So apart from these plans here, before going to take all these things, first of all, refer to my Unacademy profile link. Okay. So in my profile link, that I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So if you once enter into my profile link, then you may check down. That means here the special classes are available. Special classes are the free to everybody. Okay, so just click on the see all. Then whatever the special classes I took, that means the free classes I took, that all these classes you can access, guys. Okay. So career opportunity with UGC or non-UGC net electronic science, and regarding the previous year questions, here the 2017, 2018, July and December 2018, and the June and December 2019, all these questions are discussed here, and these classes are completely free. Okay, so first check the way of explanation whether you are understanding here or not, and then you prefer the subscription plans, guys. Okay. So it is the update that I want to provide to the candidates belongs to the UGC NET Electronic Science. And for more updates, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are going to give the exam for the UGC NET Electronic Science. Thank you, guys.